Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to have a look at one of the Paddington Bear 50p coins that is coming out in 2018. Now, as you can see from the box and from the title, what we're actually looking at today is the silver-proof version. And it is the first one, which is Paddington sat on a suitcase at Paddington train station. So this cost me £60 and it comes in this box by here, which if I just turn over, you can see is just like all of the Beatrix Potter silver proofs. It just slides out. So that's the front and back of the box. So just before I slide that off there, I'll leave that there long enough so that you can have a read of that at your own pace. Pause it if you feel like it's necessary. So there we go, and back to the front. So I'm a real big fan of the packaging. I think that the design is absolutely brilliant. Really nice vibrant colours. So we'll just get rid of that for a second there. And so you're left with this hard box. So we'll just have a look at the back again. And we'll slot the cover off, there we go, and then you'll be able to see that the coin just sits inside. So I'll just open up the flap at the front, slide the coin out, which we'll have a look at again in a minute, but for now let's have a look at all of the information that we get within the box. Just put that back round. So we'll start off with the COA. So this run here, this very nice silver-proof presentation is limited to 60,000. I have 10,140. And then inside we have the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is 0.925 sterling silver. The weight is 8.00 grams. Diameter 27.30 millimeter. The obverse designer is Jody Clark and the reverse designer David Knapton. So the quality is proof, and like I said, the limited edition presentation on this silver proof in this box is 60,000. So there we go, I'll just leave that there. Pause by here if you want to have a read of that at your own pace. And then the back just has the address and the Raw Mint hologram. There we go. So let's have a look now at all the information. So I'll just show you the front again. So there we go. So we'll open it up and you can just pause on anything now because I'm just going to whiz through this by here. But like I said, as usual, just pause it and you'll be able to read each and every one of these pieces of information. There we go. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the second coin coming out in August. Again, another brilliant design. I'll be getting that one in silver-proof also. And I have already bought, well, at least reserved the bunks of this coin at Westminster Collection. And I already have the bunk from the Royal Mint. There'll be a video on that one coming soon. So let's have a look at the coin itself. So it comes in the acrylic plastic casing by here, like you can see, and then it's in a capsule inside of there. So what we'll do is we'll just take that off so we can take the coin out. There we go. I've not got gloves, so I'm going to try not to get fingerprints on the case. So first of all, we're going to have a look by here at the reverse of the coin. So there we can see it. Look at the detail on that, and I just love the color on it as well. I like the fact that they've carried on doing that from the Beatrix Potter series. So there we go, that coin is absolutely stunning and such a nice mirror effect finish on the coin. And let's have a look at the obverse of the coin. And like I said, a nice mirror finish. From some angles it might look like it's got toning, it's just my lighting. It does not have toning on this coin. Not to say that in future it might not gather toning, because silver-proof coins do tend to tone quite badly. But yeah, there we go. That is the silver-proof Paddington Bear, the first coin in the series of 2 coming out this year. But leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. Have you bought this version, or are you buying the brilliant uncirculated versions? But like I said, leave that comment below because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.